Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera brightness in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful when you're joining calls from dimly lit rooms or when your video feed looks darker than it should, helping you appear more professional and visible during meetings. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams and getting into the settings. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice three dots positioned just before your profile icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This will open a drop-down menu with various options available to you. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where all your customization and configuration options live, giving you control over how Teams works for you. Once you're in the Settings window, shift your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a vertical menu with different categories listed. Look for the option labeled Devices and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing all your hardware components like microphones, speakers, and cameras that Teams uses during calls and meetings. Within the Devices section, scroll down until you find the Video category. This is where all camera-related settings are housed. As you look through the video options, you'll spot a feature called Adjust Brightness. This is exactly what we need to improve your video quality in challenging lighting conditions. Right next to the Adjust Brightness label, you'll see a toggle button. Simply click on this toggle to turn the feature on. Once activated, Teams will automatically enhance the quality of your video, specifically in low light conditions. This intelligent feature works by brightening your video feed, making sure you're clearly visible even when the lighting around you isn't ideal. The Adjust Brightness feature is designed to analyze your video in real time and compensate for poor lighting by increasing the overall brightness levels. This means you won't have to worry about looking too dark or shadowy during important meetings, even if you're working from a room without perfect lighting conditions. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled camera brightness adjustment in Microsoft Teams, ensuring your video quality remains professional regardless of your lighting situation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.